Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the mysteries of dating and relationships. Today, we've got a fascinating topic for you. If she greets you like this, she's crazy for you. You won't want to miss this. But before we dive into the signs, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our insightful content. Let's get started. 1. The mysterious greeting. We're about to reveal some intriguing signs that can help you decode her true feelings when she says hello. Get ready to learn the secret language of greetings. 2. The enthusiastic hug. An enthusiastic hug can say a lot. We'll explore why a warm and tight embrace is an indicator of her deep affection. 3. The ear-to-ear smile. Her smile is her secret weapon. We'll discuss how an ear-to-ear grin can mean she's genuinely thrilled to see you. 4. The light touch. A subtle touch can speak volumes. We'll delve into why a gentle touch on your arm or shoulder can reveal her hidden desires. 5. The playful teasing. Playful teasing can be a sign of affection. We'll explore how her friendly banter might indicate her interest in you. 6. The extended eye contact. The eyes are the windows to the soul. We'll talk about how prolonged eye contact can create a powerful connection. 7. The personal questions. Personal questions show her curiosity. We'll discuss how her interest in your life can be a sign of a deeper connection. 8. The laughter connection. Laughter bonds people. We'll explore how shared laughter can signify that she enjoys your company immensely. 9. The thoughtful gestures. Thoughtful gestures reveal her caring side. We'll talk about how small acts of kindness can be a clear expression of her feelings. 10. Sincere compliments. Sincere compliments are a form of admiration. We'll discuss why her genuine praise might indicate her attraction to you. 11. Summing it up. So there you have it, the signs to look out for when she greets you. Remember, these signs might not guarantee her feelings, but they can be strong indicators. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more intriguing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you've experienced any of these greetings or have your own stories to share, please leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, take care and keep decoding those signals.